Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare resveratrol versus NAD. We'll explore their distinct roles in cellular health and how they might impact your well-being. Understanding their differences is key to making informed decisions about supplements. I'll help you grasp the core functions of each compound, providing a clear picture of their individual benefits. Let's dive into the science behind these popular molecules. Resveratrol, often found in red wine and berries, is known for its antioxidant properties. It helps combat oxidative stress, which contributes to aging. This compound also activates sirtuin pathways, crucial for cellular repair and metabolic regulation. Many researchers are exploring its potential to support heart health and overall cellular resilience. It's a fascinating molecule with broad implications. Hey everyone, if you're finding this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Quick recommendation: just like your cells need the right fuel, you need good food. Make meal prep a breeze with these amazing leak-proof containers. They keep your healthy meals fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. NAD is fundamental for nearly all cellular processes, especially energy metabolism. It's like the fuel that powers your cells, enabling them to function optimally. Crucially, NAD also assists in repairing damaged DNA, a key factor in maintaining cellular integrity. As we age, our natural NAD levels decrease, which can impact various bodily functions. Boosting NAD is a growing area of interest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.